Hello amazing learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. In today's video we will learn one of the most interesting and useful reaction in organic chemistry, that is the saponifications. You will understand what it is, how it works, why it is important, and we will even look at the chemical reactions in a very easy steps. So first, what is saponifications? Saponification is the process of making soap from fats or oil using an alkali like sodium hydroxide. In simple words, saponification is the reaction between a fat or oil and a base to produce soap and glycerol or alcohol. So the esters are the oil and fats, and ester react with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, and in this reaction the ester break down into two parts: a salt of fatty acid which is a soap, and a glycerol or alcoholic part also called the glycerine, which have 3 hydroxyl group. Now, what is the chemical reaction of saponifications? In the chemical reaction, a triglyceride, a fat, react with sodium hydroxide, and by the reaction of these two, they form a soap and glycerol, and soap is the sodium salt of fatty acids. And in this reaction you can see that when a triglyceride react with sodium hydroxide, then a sodium salt of fatty acid is produced. That is, when triglyceride C3H5OOCr all thrice, that is a triglyceride, react with sodium hydroxide NaOH, and they form a soap, that is RCOO, sodium salt of fatty acid, along with alcohol. This alcohol is called glycerols, having 3 hydroxyl group. Now key concept to remember of this reaction: saponification is the making of soap by reacting fats with base. Reactants: in this reactions or in this process, the fat and oil and a base are the reactant, and the product are the sodium salt of fatty acid, that is the soap, and glycerol. And what types of this reaction? The type of this reaction is called hydrolysis of ester under the base condition. And what is the uses of this process? A use in real life. So this kind of process used in making all kinds of soaps, detergents, and washing liquids. Next, why is saponification important? Saponification is used in making soap, cosmetics, and detergents. And in this process, the byproduct, that is the glycerol, is also formed. It is used in medicine and moisturizers and toothpaste. This process is help in understanding the organic chemistry of ester and fats. It shows how chemistry is used in everyday life. Now we have a fun fact, that is the word saponification comes from the Latin sapo, which means soap. The process was known even in the ancient Egypt and Babylon, and they use animal fats along with ash to make the soap. So that's all about the saponification, the chemistry behind the soap making. If this video helpful for you, please like, subscribe, and share with your fellows and friends. and hit the bell icon so you never miss another easy explanations. Thanks for watching.